They gather before the storm. And the storm is the sale of this Mazda EZ60. So the storm is here. The stormtroopers are here. The lovelies are here. So where's the concentration? Stuff, right? But Mazda seems to have engaged with as many female influencers as possible in China to take their cars into a new level of sales numbers. Oh, they've all got scripts. This is the magic. They've all got scripts and it's all predetermined. Now we get the picture clearly. Look at the number of photographers here. So these are all ambassadors.